welcome back to Heuristic. So in today's video, I am making a miniature bed using a old cardboard box. Also guys, this was not supposed to be a YouTube video, it was a casual video, but I ended up posting it on YouTube, so don't judge me. So here I am pasting my bed sheet, which is just a plain sap green color A4 size sheet, and I'm trimming off the edges to give it a neater look. And now I'm deciding upon the color for my quilt, and I was thinking about pink, but I ended up using light blue color. And I'm just pasting my sheet and folding the edges to give it a neater look. And I don't know why, but I had to write sleep tight on my quilt. I don't know why I wrote that. And also, I of course had to fill up the rest of the space. There was so much, so I had to draw some polka dots to fill up the space. Now I'm giving a few touch-ups to my polka dots, making them here and there. And guess what? I didn't like what I wrote. So I am going over it with a blue pen to give it more highlights. And this white thing that I'm holding, I don't even know what's it called. I just found it lying around, so I thought it could be a best bed rest. So yeah. Now I'm pasting some pillows on it to fill up the space, of course, and making more cushions to fill up more space. I actually made a bunch of these off camera because they were taking so long to cut, paste, and all that stuff. Wait.
Oh my gosh, this thing that I just did, I am so embarrassed. Oh my god.
So I'm basically filling all my cushions with cotton to give them a more realistic and puffy look. There we go, another weird movement. Let me warn you, you're gonna see these frequently during this video. I thought of making some drawers in front of the bed, but they weren't looking nice. So I tried decorating them with beads, but they weren't just staying. It was all messy. So I used paper as my backup. I used a yellow color to fill up the empty space in the front. So I was taking the measurements for the first time, and they weren't too inaccurate. Yay! I always just mess up my measurements. I can't do maths and arts together. It's impossible. I am still struggling with the front part, but I finally was able to fix it with a little bit of touches. So guys, this was pretty much it for today's video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share.
And also, mind you, this was just a casual video.